Yeah, what you support?
Right now, smallest lollipops in America. Later, probably blind.
No way! What is that?
I've got a blue-eyed son. He burns the same for everyone.
No, that's not.
I had a new best friend.
Oh my
He
goodness.
went and let me down again. And I've got a green grass. It grows so tall, it grows so fast. You've got a crooked too. He loves you straighter than I do. But when I see my blue, I still think of you.
Oh, that was it.
I've got a blackout name. Hand me down, I had no say. Hat and rabbit, magic show. Magic man won't let me go.
Yo, how many 1,000 points did you get today?
Oh, Tassa?
Yo, what's the word, man?
It's great to see up to.
What's the word?
The word is basicness.
Basicness?
Basicness.
Yeah.
All of the sisters are expecting more, and of course we'll take them in. We cling to another, we dream of another. New holidays are the days that stay on the hunter's face. We cling to another, we dream of another. We cling to another, we dream of another thing. Bless my soul with
Yo, size 8 beef, size 8 beef. Sally is hungry for meat. Yes, son. Oh, that sucks. You're a mess. You're a golden mess. Oh, you were doing fine until the camera went on. All right, let's see something actual. Oh, here we go. Someone just got in 5th grade. Yo, who'd you get for your homeroom teacher? Oh no! Ah! I got it! Someone call the mechanic. It's under there. It's that way, man. It's that way, man. Jeff, right now, best move of the day.
Best move of the day.
Yeah, that's it.
Right.
Matt, best move of the day. Jeff, jump over.
I
You know, it doesn't feel good. Yeah. It really doesn't feel good.
We'll leave if we want to, and I'm demanding, wearing the knee high water.
Meet me on picnic walk, yeah. We'll leave if we want to,
And I'm demanding, wearing the knee high water.
meet me on picnic.
Is that how we do it at
That's how
SOL?
we do it, and this is a shout out to all my friends in Iraq. Bill Harding in Iraq, send our troops home, baby. Sons of Longley misses you, we need you back here. Osama, your table is ready. I hope you never forgot 9/11, and I hope you never forgot Heath Ledger.
I know I didn't.
We never forget it, Sons of Longley. Never. We've never forgot once.
No kiss.
Cut the camera for this. Let's get us do the thing.
He's past.
Oh my god.
Dude, turn manual on there.
Dead meat.
Manual.
What the? Look at that. Is that?
Here at SOL, we study food.
Look out for these